Hello everyone! Would you like some secrets how you can earn more than $20,000 a month? In this short video, I will introduce you to my favorite e-commerce platform. It is as easy to use as possible, which I have been working with for over 5 years. Watch this video to find out a few life hacks that few people know about. Look carefully. We are starting.
Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms that helps me make about $10,000 a month. I currently run a number of websites and have had success with both e-commerce stores and content-based partner sites. Not too long ago, I also took the risk of selling my own digital products online. And this is where I first started using Payhip. In this short video, I will reveal to you a few secrets that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. So let's not waste time and get started. Payhip is the perfect digital download sales portal for beginners. The basic plan is completely free until you start selling and has everything you need to set up and run a digital download store. Experienced users may find some marketing options limited. Overall, however, this is a top-notch platform that I highly recommend. Payhip has a basic interface that gives you the tools not only to build your online store, but also to increase sales with a suite of intense marketing and promotional features. Registration is quick and painless. An email, name, and details of your chosen service to receive payment are all you need to get started. Once the signature is complete, you can immediately start downloading the digital products you want to sell. Here, an intuitive interface guides you through the process of adding important details to a digital product. Just add the price you want to sell it for, the product category, and great features like adding a cover image, title, and sale description. The latter may take a little time, however the interface allows you to go back and edit at any time. You can then customize how your customers will pay for your products and literally click a button to make the product available. The checkout process is designed in such a way that the customer can complete it in just a few clicks. There is no complicated series of promotional pages to navigate or double select emails to receive. Your customers can also pay seamlessly on both desktop and mobile devices. Customized checkout areas. Another great feature that power users will love is that the checkout area, the shopping cart, can be designed to match the brand of your particular online store. This is especially useful if you are redirecting users from your own standalone website or social media page to the Payhip payment area. The fluidity you can create with this setting will only help increase conversions. That being said, the default design is clean and free for those who would rather leave the look and feel as it is. An important part of any payment platform is the ability to accept a payment from anywhere in the world using any obscure payment service or currency your customer wishes to use. Again, Payhip manages to complete the delivery. The platform is integrated with PayPal and/or Stripe, which means all major credit cards are served. Currency is not a problem either. The ability to analyze the behavior of visitors to your sales portal is another important feature that Payhip provides. The dashboard allows you to check the number of visitors and their geographic origin, as well as the number of conversions you get. You can also specify the source of referrals and control all this data in terms of day, month, year, etc. In other words, you have everything you need to track user behavior in order to customize the parameters of your sales portal in order to increase conversions. Payhip also offers protection to software vendors by managing your entire software licensing system. This great feature allows support staff to generate appropriate software keys and store them appropriately. Only paying customers have access to these keys, for example, to run the software you sold. The software can only be installed and registered on a certain number of devices, and the data is stored in Payhip. In other words, no illegal distribution of your hard work on the internet for use and abuse by others. The sales portal has a simple and elegant design that looks good on both mobile and desktop devices. This clean layout is easy to navigate and gives the users the ability to see all the important information they need without being intrusive, cluttered, or amateurish. Basically, Payhip provides a professional-looking interface that will definitely give your customers the confidence they need to buy a product from you. Payhip makes it very easy for users to sign up for an affiliate program that will make your customers money if they refer your product to a friend. Considering that buyers are 4 times more likely to make a purchase after being recommended to each other, you know you have a very powerful tool. Plus, 77% of people are more likely to consider buying a product if someone else has recommended it. You can easily set up the terms of any affiliate activity from the marketing area on the dashboard. The pricing structure works on the basis that you can use the Payhip sales platform for free and only start paying after you start selling products. This is a completely safe way for anyone getting started building their first digital download store. That being said, as soon as you start selling a small amount of commission, Payhip can start eating up your profits. For example, Payhip will charge 5% of every sale in the form of a transaction fee. PayPal or Stripe will charge about 3% on top of that. This is a total of about 8% that you will lose every time you sell a product. Plus, the free basic plan won't let you sell more than 100 digital products or provide more than 2 membership plans. The standard plan costs $29 per month. This allows you to sell unlimited products and endless membership, and this is designed for more power users to sell more products right on their doorstep. In addition, Payhip lowers the transaction fee by up to 2% on every sale, significant decrease compared to the basic plan. However, additional PayPal or Stripe fees remain the same. The professional plan sells for $99 per month. This is the same as the standard plan where you can have unlimited download sales and memberships. However, Payhip will charge a transaction fee, so you pay absolutely nothing on every sale. Overall, Payhip is one of the best platforms currently available for those looking to open an online digital download store.